Hi, I'm John Rowland with Highland Park Lapidary, and I'm going to show you an adjustment on the spray guard. Every now and then, if you get a rock that hits it, or if you have done something moving the saw, or maybe from the beginning the adjustment isn't quite like you like it. I'm going to show you how it's basically set up really easy to do that. So right now I'm simulating on this saw that I'm building a situation where the spray guard is not adjusted properly. It's right here at the top. It's pretty much touching the blade. I wouldn't want to run it like that because it might start sawing it. But at the bottom we have a lot of clearance here. And so when I designed this, the old ones used to be like a bicycle fender, and I didn't like that because they were so flimsy that half the time they'd get down on the blade and get sawed with a big old groove in them. So I made these a little heavier, and I made the bracket fairly flexible so you can easily adjust it. So on this saw, basically all I want to do is I want to pivot it. So I'm going to grab the bottom here with a couple of fingers and the top with my thumb, and I'm just going to take it and I'm going to tweak it a little bit back, and then I have pretty much an equal clearance here and here, plenty of clearance in the back. It's not really magical. The main thing that this is doing is where your hood sits here in the back. If you didn't have this, then the spray coming around would shoot up here and come out of the back and give all over your shop. This prevents that, and it kind of helps channel that oil back into your cut. Now the blade's going to carry a lot on its own, so the main thing this is doing is keeping the spray from coming out the back of the saw. So that's really all there is to do it. I mean, it can pivot right to left a little bit, but on these saws it doesn't need to. If you're close to the center and you've got it fairly even top and bottom, then you're good to go.